Why some kids give up too quickly, and why it has less to do with laziness, but more to do with what's happening inside their brain. When a child faces something difficult, like homework, tying shoes, reading, or learning a new skill, their brain quickly asks one question: am I safe or am I failing? If the child has experienced frequent criticism, pressure, embarrassment, or too many frustrating struggles, their brain can treat challenges like danger. And when the brain senses danger, it doesn't want to keep trying. It wants to escape. That's why some kids shut down, cry, say, "I can't do it," or walk away after only a few seconds. It may look like they're giving up too quickly, but often they're protecting themselves from feeling helpless. Another major reason is something psychologists call a fixed mindset. This happens when children believe ability is something you either have or you don't. So if they struggle, they assume it means they're not smart enough, talented enough, or good enough. In their mind, effort becomes proof of weakness. A child with a growth mindset thinks differently. They believe skills improve with practice, so struggle feels normal, not shameful. The same challenge that makes one child quit can make another child curious. Perfectionism is another hidden cause. Some children would rather quit than do something badly. If they can't do it perfectly right away, they feel intense frustration, so they avoid trying altogether. Sometimes the task is simply too hard for their current skill level. Children often give up when the gap between the task and their ability feels too large. So, what helps? First, stay calm when they struggle. If you become frustrated, their stress grows. Second, praise effort, strategy, and persistence, not just results. Instead of "you're so smart," say "I like how you kept trying." Third, break hard tasks into smaller wins. Success builds momentum. Fourth, normalize mistakes. Let them see that errors are part of learning, not proof of failure. And finally, teach one powerful phrase: "I can't do this yet." That one word changes everything. It turns failure into progress. And if you start using these strategies consistently, you can help your child become more confident, more resilient, and willing to keep trying even when life gets hard. If you want more psychology-backed parenting tips that actually work, subscribe now, because this channel helps parents raise calmer, stronger, and emotionally healthy kids.